Hello, how to solve for x and y in this equation x squared minus y squared is equal to 80, where x and y are member of natural number. Solution. Then we have x squared minus y squared is equal to 80. This is in the form of perfect square. If you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b, where a is equal to s and b is equal to y. Then this can be written as s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 80. But here, s plus y is greater than s minus y. So this is greater than this. Then we have s plus y is greater than s minus y, and this is equal to 80. So we have to look for the product of 80s. Two numbers multiplied together. Then we have 80 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 80. Then 40 multiplied by 2. Then 2 multiplied by 40. Now we have 20 multiplied by 4. Then 4 multiplied by 20. Then we have 5 multiplied by 16. 16 multiplied by 5. And 8 multiplied by 10. Then 10 multiplied by 8. But from here, s plus y is greater than s minus y. 80 is greater than 1. This is accepted. 1 is less than 80. This is rejected. 40 is greater than 2. This is accepted. 2 is less than 40. This is rejected. Then 20 is greater than 4. This is accepted. 4 is less than 20. This is rejected. Then 5 is less than 16. This is rejected. 16 is greater than 5. This is accepted. 8 is less than 10. This is rejected. And then 10 is greater than 8. This is accepted. We have how many cases? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's consider the first case. The first case, we have s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 80 multiplied by 1. Then the second case, s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 40 multiplied by 2. The third one, we have s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 20 multiplied by 4. Then fourth one, we have s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 16 multiplied by 5. And the fifth one is s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 10 multiplied by 5. And you can see that we have the first, second, third, fourth, and the fifth cases. So now let's form a simultaneous equation from this and solve the equation. From the first case, we have s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 80 multiplied by 1. Then this is s plus y is equal to 80. This is equation 1. And s minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 2. We can solve this simultaneously by using elimination method. We can add the two equations together. Then s plus s, this is 2x plus y minus y. This will cancel this. 80 plus 1, this is equal to 81. Now let's divide both sides by 2. Divided by 2, this will cancel this. S is equal to 81 over 2. We've gotten the value of s. Is this a natural number or not? This is not a natural number. It is rejected. Now let's solve for y. To solve for y, from equation 2, we have s minus y is equal to 1. Then when s is 81 over 2, we have 81 over 2 minus y is equal to 1. Let's multiply all through by 2. 81 minus 2y is equal to 2. Minus 2y is equal to 2 minus 81. Then minus 2y is equal to minus 79. Then y is equal to 79 over 2. This is the value of y and it's not a natural number. It is rejected also. Let's consider the second case. From the second case, s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 40 multiplied by 2. And here we have s plus y is equal to 40. This is equation 1. S minus y is equal to 2. This is equation 2. Let's solve this using elimination method. If you add the two equations together, s plus s, this is 2s. This will cancel this. Is equal to 40 plus 2. That is 42. Then let's divide both sides by 2. Divided by 2. This will cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 2 here 1. Then s is equal to 21. This is the value of s. Is this a natural number or not? This is a natural number. It is accepted. You've gotten the value of s. Let's solve for y using either equation 1 or 2. Let me make use of equation 2. Then s minus y is equal to 2. When s is 21, we have 21 minus y is equal to 2. Minus y is equal to 2 minus 21. Minus y is equal to minus 19. Y is equal to 19. Is this a natural number or not? This is a natural number. It is also accepted. Now, let's consider the third case. From the third case, we have x plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 20 multiplied by 4. Then s plus y is equal to 20. This is equation 1. S minus y is equal to 4. This is equation 2. Let's solve it using elimination method by adding the two equations together. S plus S, this is 2S, this will cancel this, is equal to 20 plus 4, that is 24. Now let's divide both sides by 2. This divided by 2, this will cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 12. Then, therefore, S is equal to 12. And this is a natural number. It is accepted. S here is equal to 12, which is accepted. Now let's solve for y using either equation 1 or equation 2. But let me make use of this equation 2 again to solve for y. Then from equation 2, we have s minus y is equal to 4. When s is 12, we have 12 minus y is equal to 4. Minus y is equal to 4 minus 12. Minus y is equal to minus 8. Y is equal to 8. This is the value of y, and this is a natural number. It is also accepted. Now let's consider the fourth case. From the fourth case, we have s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 16 multiplied by 5. Then s plus y is equal to 16. This is equation 1. S minus y is equal to 5. This is equation 2. Let's add the two equations together using elimination method. S plus s, this is 2x. This will cancel this, is equal to 16 plus 5, that is 21. Then from here, you divide both sides by 2, divided by 2. This will cancel this. S is equal to 21 over 2. Is this a natural number or not? This is not a natural number. It is rejected. Now, to solve for y, let me make use of this equation 2 again. S minus y is equal to 5. Then we have 21 over 2 minus y is equal to 5. Then let's multiply all through by 2. We have 21 minus 2y is equal to 10. Minus 2y is equal to 10 minus 21. Minus 2y is equal to minus 11. Now, y is equal to 11 over 2. This is the value of y, and it's not a natural number. It is also rejected. Now, let's consider the fifth case. From the fifth case, we have s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 10 multiplied by 5. S plus y is equal to 10. S minus y is equal to 5. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Then let's add the two equations together. S plus s, 2s, this will cancel this, is equal to 15. S is equal to 15 over 2. This is the value of s, and this is not a natural number. It is rejected. Also, to solve for y, so now let me make use of this equation 1 for you to see. Then from equation 1, we have x plus y is equal to 10. Then when x is 15 over 2, here is 15 over 2 plus y is equal to 10. Let's multiply all through by 2. 15 plus 2y is equal to 20. Then 2y is equal to 20 minus 15. 2y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 over 2. This is the value of y, and it's not a natural number. It is also rejected. Therefore, the only natural number we have are x, y is equal to 21, 19, and x, y is equal to 12, 8. These are the only natural numbers we have. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.